You might make them all today.
Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered, and look who we got over here. I don't know if you can see him. I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit more. We got the old Yui here, and we're working on the 350 SL, doing the next steps on gluing the canvas, the soft top, onto this. Now, unfortunately, I've got this in the way because you saw the last video, or one of the last videos, where I got it on this little metal thing here. I've got it attached. And so that's another project that I'll work on sometime this week, next weekend, whatever, because you know, I'm going to be down in Joplin on Friday for the power tour, if y'all caught the last couple videos. But besides all of that, we're going to start gluing the fabric to here. And then, just as I've used before, we've got these little clippies. I use these clippies, and they actually worked very well. So, without further ado, we're going to get out this E6000 clear self-leveling cement. It's permanent bond, waterproof, printable, or paintable, flexible. I don't know. What's this say in Spanish there?
Unión permanente.
See, it's permanent. It's permanent.
Yep.
All right. So we got to put this on. We let it sit for a little bit. And so this is what I was doing. Oh, shoot. Now I got to use the pliers to get the cappy off, because
What happens when semen dries?
yeah. Oh, goodness. Do you want to do the honors and squeeze some, or you want me to?
Oh, it don't matter.
Well, because here, I'll let you do it, and then I'll take it from the other side. And then what? And I would just go part of the way down rather than going all the way.
Okay.
Only because,
Spread it out.
well, I'm just wondering are we going to be that good to go all the way down with the canvas or with the fabric?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I trust you. I'll get my side here. We got to let this tack off a little bit more. And, you know, the whole idea on this is, folks, is, you know, get the canvas or the fabric to attach to here. You went all the way down, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Later on, we have to fold those corners inward.
Okay. All right, your cap is on your side. I've got the bar. Now, I don't know if y'all can see, but we're going to let this flash a little bit more. But this part right here, this seam has to be right here on this edge. And so that's the tricky part that we've got. We only get one shot at this too. And we got to line perfectly up in the center, because you can see that's got to avoid this little pin, this lock pin.
And the nice thing, our corner is already cut too.
Okay.
For our radius.
Shall we? And then the flap goes inside eventually. And what we'll do, okay, I think what I'm going to do is let's get those little clippies and see if we can't get them.
Hit it.
I'm struggling here. Oh, maybe I go this way. Yeah, there we go. Fold it up.
Yeah.
Doing.
This one flings out.
And then this will, just like before, this will sit for several hours. And we may not get to the second part to where we tuck the rubber in this track while we're gluing the rest of them. So, all right. I'm out of clips. Hello. Yeah, that's why I wondered why we shouldn't have gone all the way down.
Voila.
Yeah, we should have broke at the seam.
Yeah.
And then what we'll do, folks, is then we'll come back and pull the flap that's tucked down inside, and then we'll glue it.
I got my set.
Okay, well, I have no more clips or anything, so
Let's see.
I guess some cloths and the Vite script. I'll let you tinker with this side, and then I'll get the camera and let everybody see exactly what we're doing. You want some? Oh, there's some rags up there. Okay, I'll let you do that. I want to bring the camera in so we can show you what we're actually doing.
Not too tight. Make it a little tighter.
Okay, and I'll see how we've got that tied down there, and then he's got this one secured, and then we'll come back and we'll glue inside this track right through there, and then put the rubber seal in there.
Very fun.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of.
You're gonna be tight.
Okay, we need more clips because that's not going to hold there. So there you go, folks. I think I might have to. Oh, here's one more. I may have to run up to the old Dollar General and get some more clippies. You need a few more, don't you? All right. I'm going to end this video right here. We'll pick it up later and see what.
Yeah, she's pretty good over there.
She is. She's good and tight.
And this one, yeah, because I pulled on this side and clamped it.
Okay. All right, well, I'm going to end this video right here, and then we'll add to it later. And you see my backdrop? See what I got to deal with?